Okay, in this video we're going to go through the 2017 AMC 10A from start to finish, problems 1 through 25. We'll start with problem 1. What is the value of that? Don't try to read it, it's a lot of stuff. Just look at it and okay. So what you can see is that it's kind of like a function, f of x equals 2x plus 1, where x is 1 right here. And once you plug in 1, you're going to get 3. What happens to 3 is it gets plugged right back into x. So you're going to get 2 times 3 plus 1. You're doubling this number and adding 1 each time. So 7, double, 14, plus 1, 15, 31, 63, 127. Why do we stop here? There are 6 sets of parentheses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. We go to the 6th iteration, which will be 127, answer choice C. Okay, problem number 2. Pablo buys popsicles for his friends. The store sells single popsicles for $1 each, 3 popsicle boxes for $2, 5 for $3. What is the greatest number of popsicles that Pablo can buy with $8? You just want to maximize the bargain buys. So he can get 5 for $3. You'll get 2 groups of 5. That will be $6 total you've spent. Add 1 3 popsicle box for $2. That's 13. That's it. Continuing on to problem 3. Tamara has 3 rows of 2 6 feet by 2 feet flower beds in her garden. So there's 2 in each row. The beds are separated and also surrounded by 1 foot wide walkways as shown on the diagram. What is the total area of the walkways in square feet? So we start with horizontal. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 gaps of 1 foot is a total of 15. Vertical, 2, 2, and 2 is 6. 4 gaps is 10. The total area is 150. We will solve this with the shaded region strategy of finding the big area and subtracting the part you don't want, which is the flower beds themselves. There's 6 of them. They're each an area of 12. You get 78. That is B. Okay, on problem 4, we have to start being careful now. They're going to get trickier and trickier as it goes. Mia is helping her mom pick up 30 toys that are strewn on the floor. Mia's mom manages to put 3 toys in the toy box every 30 seconds. But each time, immediately after those 30 seconds have elapsed, Mia, helping, takes 2 toys out of the box. How much time in minutes will it take Mia and her mom to put all 30 toys into the box for the first time? The first thing you want to do is notice that every 30 seconds, she's basically gaining 1 toy into the box. But we have to be careful with that observation. If we try to extrapolate it to 30 toys, you'll think it takes 15 minutes. That is the trap answer. So what we want to do is think of it like those problems you may have seen where the bug is crawling out of the well and it gets up the well so far and then slides back and then up the next day and slides back. So how long will it take? You have to remember that when the bug gets to the top of the well, it will not fall back. In a similar manner, when Mia's mom gets all the toys in the box, they're done. It doesn't matter that in 1 second, 2 toys will come out. So we want to get close to 30, but not right there. My suggestion is to start at 26 toys. 26 toys in the box right after Mia takes them out. That will take 13 minutes to get to. Basically 30 seconds, a minute for 2 toys. So when the next iteration of this cycle goes into effect, Mia's mom will put 3 toys in. Now there's 29 toys in the box. And Mia will take 2 out. Now there's 27. That took 13.5 minutes. This is the last iteration because when you go from 27, you add the 3 toys to get to 30. It doesn't matter that Mia's going to take them out. They're all in the box right now. That also happens at the 30-second mark. The answer is 14 minutes. Starting problem 5. The sum of 2 non-zero real numbers. We don't know what they are. Let's use variables. A plus B. is 4 times their product is equals 4 times the product AB. What is the sum of the reciprocals of the two numbers? That's 1 over A, is the reciprocal of A, plus 1 over B. We're looking for this. Okay, so how do we begin? You might think to move 4AB over and try to use what's called Simon's favorite factoring trick in the AOPS community, but it won't actually work because the 4 is a problem. So if you try that and you dead end, no worries, come back to just look at what you're trying to find and take it and think about how you can manipulate it. Oftentimes on the AMC, what you're supposed to do is the only thing you can do. And the only thing we can do is manipulate this. The only manipulation we can make, bring the B up to the 1, the A up to the 1, multiply the denominators, AB. This is equal to this expression. So then we just look at what we have. We have AB, and A plus B is 4AB, so I can cross that out. The AB's cancel. The answer is 4.